Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today again I got another ABS problem, Nissan Micra 2005 model. I'm going to troubleshoot what's going on there. Stay with me, take a good idea, then after that you know what you're going to do. However, if you're not still subscribed our channel, please do it now. Press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go inside the car. In this particular car, underneath this cover, OBD connector we need to pull. You can see this is the OBD connector. I'm going to plug in. I'm going to start the car. You can see as it is, the top one like it's a seat belt. It's not a problem. This is second one for the handbrake. When I load the handbrake, it will go. The third one you can see as it is the ABS problem. This is the problem at the moment vehicle has. However, I'm going to check with the computer what's going on there. I'm going to select Nissan. This is 2005 model K11. I think, yes, this is the sorry, it's a Micra K12, 1 liter petrol. Press OK. I'm going to diagnostic anti-lock brakes or ABS brake. Press yes. Continue. Continue. Codes info. Codes, right. There is a two codes. C100F right front wheel sensor circuit. Again same faulty code, C100F right front wheel sensor circuit. However, I am going to physically check this one. Before that one, I am happy to go live data and have a look what's the live data saying. I am going to back off this menu, back, go to the data section. This is the live data section. You can see as it is. First one, front left hand wheel, 0 figure here, and the second one, front right hand sensor wheel. That's the one we need to alert. Other two, rear left hand, rear right hand. We need to check these figures. I'm going to move the car and I'm going to check the figures here. I'm going to move this highlight for the bottom. Right. I'm going to reverse the car. You can see first one changing, second one mean the problem one, no any changes. Third, fourth, you can see as it is, it's changing. However, I feel in something happened to the sensor. Could be bearing, but more possibility something problem in the sensor. However, I am going to remove the wheel and going to check visually what's going on that side. Stay with me. Let's go to the wheel. This is the jack point of this car. When you're going to jack up, make sure use the jack point. If you're using other places, you ending with unexpected accident, beware of that one. I'm going to remove the tire. Bingo, find the problem. Another Fox's duty. This is the ABS sensor. It started from here, you can see as it is, but however this is the fourth problem for this week. Foxes chew the wire, you can see as it is, they chew the wire. That's why signal not coming to the computer. However, I had to change the sensor because they took it like a 3-4 inches with them. Because of that I can't connect this one. However, I'm going to change the new sensor. Stay with me, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the ABS sensor of this car. This is the new sensor. You need to just clip in like this. When you're going to remove old sensor, better to apply WD-40. Otherwise all mud rust going inside and it's little bit stuck there. Just apply WD-40, wiggle and take it out, it will come out. I'm going to clip in new sensor and make sure it's clipped in properly. After that I'm going to follow all wire, remove it from the bracket, install new wire there. If you follow the old wire routing, it's very easy to use. Otherwise when you're going to remove everything at same time, sometimes you are going to mix up the routing. Because of that I follow the old wire, remove old wire, install new wire, go one place to next place. Sensor going inside the wheel trim. I need to remove the wheel trim. There is a clip here and underneath something there. However, I'm going to remove the trim and take access to this connector. It's inside the trim. Now we can see the wiring. We have access to the ABS sensor connector. remove old connector and going to clip new connector. All done this area. I'm going to reinstall wheel arch. Before put the tire on, make sure all done correctly. Have one more time final check. Install tire. Make sure all nut tight properly. This is the broken cable. I am going to lower the jack. All complete from outside. She's the one behind the camera. However, I'm going to inside the car. Ignition on. After that, I need to reset from the computer. Going to the code info. No communication because I switch off the ignition before the job. However, I need to go to back, select from Nissan here, 2005, Micra, K12, 1 liter, anti-lock brake. Continue. Code info. This is the 2 codes. I'm going to delete that one. Clear codes. Clear. 2 clear codes. Key must be on and engine must be off. Yes, continue. Clear codes completed. Press continue. Again, I'm going to check code info. At the moment, no code there. However, I'm not going to stop it from here. I'm going back, again back, go to the live data. Then I'm talking about this first 4. I'll talk with the beginning. However, I'm going to start the car now. start the car. You can see as it is still ABS light on. Then however, I'm going to leave it as it is, the ABS light. I'm going to take it backward and forward because some sensor might be identify the correct routing. I'm going to take it back. You can see now all sensors figures coming out. That means the all 4 sensors are going to take it forward and show you again. It's reading nicely. However, I'm going to switch off the car and going to start the car. Still ABS light on. I'm going to switch off and start the car again. Right. You can see as it is, all lights gone. This is for the handbrake, this one for the seat belt. Then you can see no ABS light. Again, I'm switch off and start and we'll see. Yes, it's disappeared. All fine now. This is the way you need to troubleshoot the code first. Go through the code, find out physically, repair the problem. Now all done. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe us and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. See you with another video. Thanks again.